Presenting in the blue corner, weighing 108 pounds. He has a record 4 wins, 1 by KO, and no loss. He was born in General Santos City, now residing in Malabon, Metro Manila. Manny Pacquiao. His opponent, featuring in the red corner, weighing 107 pounds. He was born in Ormoc, Leyte. He has a record of 4 wins, 2 by KO, 1 loss, and 1 draw. From Pasig City, Metro Manila, Flash Simbahon. Judges, Captain Nonico Ramon Flores, Alex Villacampa. Referee, Vince Peñafiel.
Well, another...
6 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, another 6-rounder here, 108 pounds. Simbahon in red, Pacquiao in white.
Ito si Manny Pacquiao, Romy, mahilig ito sa Pacquiao. At hindi pa kasi natatalo. Kanya lahat ng mga laban niya, Pacquiao.
Okay,
palaging
good shot.
nananalo. He has a record, kagaya ng sinabi ng ating kaibigan, si Bobby Mondejar. 4-0 po record niya.
Very good.
4 wins, no loss, and 1 knockout. Manny Pacquiao coming off a second-round stoppage of Dele Desierto. That was last July 1st. Dito po sa Mandaluyong, ginanap yung laban na yun. Now, Flash Simbahon, age 22. Pacquiao, incidentally, is 18, a teenager. Flash Simbahon from Ormoc, Leyte, has a record of 4-1-1 with 2 knockouts. Also an outstanding record.
Very good.
Flash Simbahon
Should have a good
Pacquiao.
fight here.
Yes. Pacquiao is in white. Hails from General Santos City. Marami kang kaibigan nyo sa General
Navarrete.
Santos, no, Romy?
Navarrete country.
Mga kaibigan natin, sina Romy, sina Rolando Navarrete.
And somebody who greeted me, si Joey and Ayes de la Cruz. Hello. Mayang gabi.
Okay,
the
and,
Jangas.
Also the kind mayor of General Santos City, si Mayor Nunez.
Okay. Ang tanong nga pala ng mga fans sa probinsya, isa sa mga tanong nila, ganun ka raw ba katangkad? Bakit daw parang maliit na maliit ako? Tapos sabi ko 5'6" ako eh. 5'11" si Kinito, tama lang yun. Sabi, para ka yung nakatingala. Sabi ko, hindi, nakatingala ako pag naka-interview ako ng mga imports. Ngayon, sabihin ko naman sa'yo, mas maganda si Kinito kaysa sa mga imports. That's really true, huh? And I would like to thank them. By the way, some of our new friends in the South, like Rudy Diego, Guido Ortiz, and some of those, medyo hindi ko na naalala ngayon, pero kumusta na lang kayong lahat dyan, bay, ha? Mayang gabi kanyong tanan.
Nagkakatitigan itong dalawa dito sa gitna ng ring. Simbahon looking very wiry, a very lean frame. This is scheduled for 6 rounds.
Right, and well, both of them looking good. And this should be a good fight because they have magandang mga records nila.
Yes.
Magandang mga records, ha?
Well, Pacquiao is very, very young. He's only 18 years old. And Flash Simbahon looks like he has more studied moves. Sa nakikita natin, no? Mas magandang, mas polished ang style nito ni Simbahon.
Yes, definitely. He has the better style.
Uy, nakatama si Pacquiao noon. Nice right hand lead, followed up with the left. Backing up Simbahon.
Pero yung left kanina hindi masyadong matindi din. Parang tulak lang yun eh.
Nice uppercut by Pacquiao.
Hey, good exchanges. In the first round, good exchanges, lalo na sa mga atake nila sa katawan, yung dukutan. Yan ang mga matitindi eh, which will pay dividends, of course, in the latter rounds.
Now, southpaw ito si Pacquiao. And look at that.
Of course.
Oo.
Kaya...
Tsaka mahilig magdasal ito si Simbahon.
Yes, simba na simba.
Oo. Kanya yung mga suntok ni Simbahon, may kasamang dasal yun.
Masakit yun pag dumating. Okay. Yo, that's part of the crowd here at Mandaluyong Sports Complex. Tinan po ninyo, punong-puno. Both, all of them enjoying these bouts. Lahat mo ng mga 4-rounders kanina. Ngayon naman 6-rounders tayo. And this is the second round of this fight among flyweights. Flash Simbahon, of course, in red. Manny Pacquiao in white. Here we go. Mga bata pa ito, well, they have had good fights. And on the positive side, mga winners po ito. Kaya we should have another good fight.
Simbahan scoring with the left that rocked the head of Manny Pacquiao from close range. Now Pacquiao in white. Simbahan trying to beat Pacquiao to the punch, and looks like he has been successful so far.
Yes.
Although ito si Pacquiao is more aggressive, he looks like he wants to throw those power bombs.
It's a good upper kanina that missed. May power din ito si Pacquiao eh.
Oo, may power nga eh. And although ito si Simbahan has more style, no? Mas maganda ang forma ni Simbahan.
Pati magbigay, magbitiw.
Oo. Now let's see whether he can withstand the power of Pacquiao.
Good fight. Infighting in the early rounds, very good. Mamaya magsiswitch yan. Ayun, pareho silang headhunting sabay.
And Simbahan scoring that time, but doesn't look like Simbahan can really hurt Pacquiao. He's been able to connect with some nice left and right hand shots.
Yes.
Pacquiao is not backing off.
Itong upper at saka mga hooks ni Pacquiao, matitindi ito.
Pacquiao is a dangerous puncher. Now Simbahan, when the opportunity presents itself, you notice he attacks the midsection.
Well, Simbahan has been able to connect there sa bodega. Talagang concentrated ang attack niya dyan muna. Sometimes he switches to the head, but more or less with the last 2 rounds, he has been concentrating. Oh, maganda yung score ni Pacquiao.
Scored that time with a nice left. And again, Simbahan going to downstairs.
Simbahan panay upper, panay hook. Ayun.
Simbahan has a lot of those short chopping blows.
Yes, Pacquiao also scoring. Oh, that's a good upper.
Yes, it looks like Simbahan is hurt. He's holding on. Pacquiao connecting from close range.
He's about to go down. His
Simbahan.
knees have weakened.
Pacquiao
That's
again
right.
connecting from long range.
We were just talking about Pacquiao's uppercut. At tumama po, solid sa chin. But
Simbahan is coming back.
nayanig si Simbahan doon. Hindi lang nasundan ng gusto. Siya
And
naman nakascore
yes,
ngayon.
Scoring from outside. Ito si Simbahan. Medyo napagod yata ito si Pacquiao.
Oh, good shot. Ganda yung mga shots ni Pacquiao. Matindi ang dating. And this is only the second round. Oh, this is going to be a humdinger.
Well, so far in our card, we have not seen a knockdown or a knockout.
Some slow-mo action in round 2. Ito yung, ayun, umiscore ng husto rito si Pacquiao. Ayun, umiscore. Yung upper, yun ang sinabi ko kanina na matindi eh.
And Simbahan was holding on. If you notice,
There, another right, but he was,
punch
yes, he was
thrown
able
by
to weather
Pacquiao.
the
Oo.
attack. Anyway, this is round 3. Let's see if Pacquiao can follow up on that advantage of his.
nagrogi dun si Simbahan in
Oh,
the
yes.
previous round.
Definitely, his knees buckled.
A clash of heads there, and Peñafiel
Yes, a referee.
admonishing both fighters. Pacquiao closing in on Simbahan, missing that time, and Simbahan countering.
Well, Simbahan was able to score. Sama ang timing ni Pacquiao, no?
Oo.
So it better cool down at set his pace. Hindi yung mga ganyan, sayang. Oh. Eh, walang tama eh. Masama ang timing niya.
And he's expending a lot of energy.
That's right. Although those are power shots, pero
If he misses, oo.
malaking bagay sa kanyang stamina yung mga miss na ganun eh. Ultimately, it will be to his disadvantage.
That's right, and since we're scheduled for 6, we're
Yan na nga.
only in round number 3.
Timing. He should, bakit dapat pagsabihin sa timing?
Well, Simbahan is making a miss, and Simbahan coming back with a nice right-hand shot.
Well, kung better, you know, now that Pacquiao is closing in, that's a better posture. Rather than yung magwa 1-2 siya sa malalayo, Diyan na lang. O yung mga ganun. Malayo, diyan na lang siya. Dumikit na lang siya. Mas maganda yung ibigay niya sa katawan. Well, the seconds are saying lawas-lawas. Pareho sa kanilang lawas. Body attack. Both of them asking for body attacks. Nothing.
Medyo pigil na yung mga suntok niya.
Nothing yet, yes.
Ni Simbahon. And Pacquiao connecting.
Although not as solidly. Kahit na grazing, yun at least tumama din. Pumuntos. That's a good left. Iyon na naman yung malalayo eh.
Yes. Pacquiao sometimes wild with his blows.
Good right by Simbahon. Okay, let's go to Simbahon's corner. Natin kung anong
Wala kang galaw. Wala kang tama-tama. Wala tatlong gano. Yung round na. King, 2 rounds ka, King. Wala pa tayong round, King. Ha? Wala pa tayong round. Ha? King, una ka ng una. Wala pa tayong round, King. Ha? Una, sasabayan mo. Una ka.
Pero pagkapos ito, balik ka dito sa pwesto, balik sa pwesto.
Wala sa lawas. Dito sa lawas, King.
Tapos ito, balik sa pwesto.
Una ka kagad, sabay mo. Ha? Nga.
There's slow-mo. At sabi po, well, narinig naman natin, sabi ng seconds ni Simbahon, 4th round na, wala pa tayo. 4th round, wala pa tayo isang round.
Very discouraging. Yung sinasabi ng trainer.
Huwag kang maghintay. Huwag kang maghintay, unahan mo.
Sabi
Huwag
kasi
kang
Bahar,
maghintay.
wala pa tayong round.
Oh,
Dapat gumawa ka naman ngayon. Well, it could
But
also
if
be
there
a
are only
psychological
yes.
move on the part of the trainer.
There are only 3 rounds left, so
Oo.
they want him to win all of them.
Well, yes, and they're trying to wake him up. But I think Simbahon must be feeling the effects of the hard blows of,
Yes,
of
definitely.
Pacquiao.
Yes.
Because during that round,
Pacquiao also gaining more confidence.
oo.
Kinito.
Tsaka si Simbahon during that timeout, narinig ko, he asked, ano ba round tayo?
Oh,
So he's lost track of the rounds. That's not a good sign.
and well, as the trainer himself declared, wala pa silang round. And
Ayan na.
it's the 4th round coming up. At ito, Pacquiao continues to
Yes.
score.
And Pacquiao seems to even get stronger as the rounds go on.
Nawala na pati timing ni Simbahon. He used to be very aggressive in rounds 1 and 2. He initiated exchanges sa loob, pero wala. Ngayon, he's not. Ayan, sige, pero paminsan-minsan na lang siya kung bumitiw.
Well, Pacquiao is now dictating. Oh, that time, nice right hand
Yes,
by
bumabawi.
Simbahon.
He
Nakabawi
scored with
siya
the
nun.
left and right there.
Scored
Another
another
right.
right.
Well, he was able to score there.
Simbahon is spot shooting. At nakakatama si Simbahon.
Well, the corner of Simbahon is alive. And they're clapping, and they want him to keep on.
Oh, 1-2-3 combination by Pacquiao.
Well, Simbahon stopped for a while. He's got to keep on because his seconds say, wag mo siyang hintayin, mauna ka.
At sinasabi din nila, sabayan niya
Yes.
si Pacquiao.
Yes. That's the only way because he's behind.
Pacquiao again landing a perfect left-hand shot.
Okay, in the final minute of this round 4, he slipped. Hindi naman masyadong matindi yung umabot. Talaga napaatras lang po. Basa kasi yung lugar na yun. Pacquiao scoring.
And take a look at the trainer, the worried
This is
look.
Second, yes, the worried look of the second of Simbahon. Solid na naman. Ito. Well,
Now remember, Manny Pacquiao still undefeated with a record of 4 wins and no loss. Ito naman po si Simbahon has lost once in 6 outings.
All right. Okay, a slow-mo action here with Simbahon trying to come back, of course. That's the 4th round. And he did score in that round, but let's see if he will be able to sustain a comeback attempt.
Alam mo, Romy, mahirap na magsalita kung whom we think is ahead at this point. At nasunog tayo dun sa
No
second
way.
fight
That's
natin.
why, ilang beses na tayo nasunog dito because that's why I always I always have a disclaimer that the judges may not agree with our perceptions.
Oo.
And pero that was scandalous naman yung kanina. Sobra naman yun.
Well,
Anyway,
I checked the scorecards at
the guy
the
was about
margins weren't close.
the
We're not
guy
even
was
close.
about actually the guy was about to give up after the 4th round.
Oh.
The crowd saw that. But anyway, let's go back to our fight at hand. The Simbahon has to come back. The young boy in red.
Simbahon is now gaining some lost ground.
Yes, he has to come back because this is the last 2 rounds.
Well, Simbahon, as we mentioned earlier, has more polish in his style. But I think he might have been intimidated in the early going by Pacquiao.
He has started to run out of steam also. Yan ang tsaka mas matindi kasi ang bigay ni Pacquiao. Marami nang tinanggap si Simbahon.
Oh, nice close-up there by our cameraman on Pacquiao. Looks like there's a cut on the cheek of Manny Pacquiao. If not a cut, just a swelling.
It's a mouse, yes.
A swelling underneath the left eye of Manny Pacquiao.
It's developing into a bad mouse. Let's see, but there are only 2 rounds. Hey, that's a good shot by Simbahon.
And Simbahon dislodged a little bit the mouthpiece of Pacquiao, and Pacquiao covering up.
That's
And
another
Simbahon,
right.
yes, connecting once more.
Simbahon had better come back. More.
Oh, Simbahon has been able to connect rather accurately here, but
Well,
Pacquiao,
Pacquiao was able to come back. He's
Yes.
coming back now. Oh, low blow.
Pacquiao is asking for a few seconds,
Well, he has 5 minutes.
but I think he also wants to clear the cobwebs in his head. And Pench Peñafiel is telling Simbahon to go back to his corner, or to that neutral corner. Okay, action will resume.
Yes. Oh, pareho sila umiscore. This is the penultimate round, by the way. So let's see who wins out. Although we are definitely not coming out with our choice.
Well, Simbahon, figuring that he's behind on points, really has had to stage a mighty uprising here.
Yes, here and in the last round, he has to keep on fighting.
Well, he's looking to turn the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
Yes, he has to win this and the last round. Anyway, he's trying his best. Okay, that is slam bang 5th round. Let's see if Simbahon can keep it up in the final 6th round. Okay, a slow-mo of that exciting action in the 5th round. Here we go. Simbahon scoring
yes.
with a straight right.
Beautiful right.
Another straight. Tatlo yata yung na-score niya dyan eh.
And Pacquiao definitely bewildered in that
That's right.
exchange.
After the
As
3
he
good
sought,
shots.
yes, he sought refuge there in the neutral corner.
Okay, the last round. Let's see. Ito, bakbakan na pareho. Sabayan.
Wala na, no holds barred na to.
Talagang patay kung patay.
No
Ikaw o
quarters
ako.
given or taken.
Yes, ikaw o ako. Pacquiao slipped in his own corner.
Simbahon connecting with a short punch, and there's Pacquiao. Ooh.
Yes, coming back with his own combination.
Yes, that was a nice barrage.
A straight right again by Simbahon. Sayang yun hindi nasundan. Okay,
Pacquiao
1-2 to Simbahon.
Off the ropes, Pacquiao connecting that time.
Simbahon.
Pacquiao looks like he's gotten his second wind. He's back on his toes.
Pacquiao out to Pacquiao him. Yes, his opponent, as you said, he's throwing leather, hard leather. And Simbahon, well, nasasaktan siya siyempre at marami na.
Oh!
It's a good left straight.
There's a
All right.
combination there. Oh, but
Oh,
look
hindi
at
sinundan.
Simbaon
Ayun.
fighting
Jab.
hard. Simbaon just came right back.
Yes, but he
after
was
absorbing the
stunned by
combination.
two.
Yes, he was stunned. Definitely stunned by Pacquiao.
Oh, Pacquiao scoring.
Pacquiao looking for a strong finish
Oh,
here.
another left.
Yes,
Another
Pacquiao.
combination by Pacquiao. He better not stop. Take advantage while medyo hilo ng konti. Ayun.
Simbaon has stopped punching. Manny Pacquiao looking to protect his unblemished record
Right.
of 4 wins and no loss.
Right.
Simbaon,
Oh, good scoring.
catching another combination
Yes.
from Pacquiao
1-2.
to the head.
1-2 by Pacquiao. Another right hook. Another left straight. Oh, gosh. Scoring like a computer.
Yes, but one thing about Simbaon, he's not backing down.
He's not, but those are the hard points.
Oh yes, those are hard blows being connected and landed.
Yes. That's a good left there. Lumalagatok. Oh, bumawi si Simbaon doon. But, well, would like to say again, the judge's decision are the judge's decisions. Ano po? Pero, nakita nyo naman kung kaninong round ito. Okay. We'll have 27 seconds left and I'm almost tempted to say Pacquiao has got it made, pero tingnan
Well, it
natin.
looks like, yes.
Iba yata mga judges. Let's see. Let's wait and see. But this has been one of the best 6-rounders tonight.
Yes. Well, mukhang pagod na rin ito si Simbaon.
Napapagod siya,
Well,
nakapagod siya sa
Yes.
score.
Oh. Hindi, si Simbaon, he absorbed a lot of punishment in this
Pacquiao,
fight.